The Ufology World Congress, the most important UFO research congress in Europe. Barcelona, June 14, 15 and 16, 2024. Great teachers and instructors in sacred geometry, akashic records, feng-shui, astrology, channeling, ufology, esotericism, with more than 30 in-person workshops over 3 consecutive days. Worship speakers from all over the world, such as Anahí Rando, Romina Thieben, Montserrat Sorli, Griselda Vidiella, María-José Rosselló, Juanjo Arias, Nora Medium, Michael König-Breuss, Paula Manes, Nina Maglic, Gloria Ramos, Pedro Frias, Carbonelli, Masati, Marie-Josèphe Garcia. Buy your tickets now at ufologyworldcongress.com and usual points of sale. Do not miss it. Produces We Are Love International.